Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Hinc atque hinc, vastae rupes geminique minantur in caelum scopuli, quorum subverte late, aequora tota silent tum silvis scaena coruscis, de super, horrentique atrum nemus iminet umbra, fronte sub adversa scopulis pendentibus antrum. Here and there, vast rocks and twin cliffs project into the sky, beneath the peak of which safe waters are widely silent. Then a scene with shimmering forests appears from above. There's no verb here, so you supply an est, so the best way to do it would actually be, then a scene with shimmering forest is there from above. There is then a scene with shimmering forest from above. Continuing onwards, horrentique atrum nemus iminet umbra, and a black grove overhangs with shuddering shade. Beneath the opposite brow, a cave is there with hanging rocks, or there is a cave with hanging rocks beneath the opposite brow. Frons frontis means brow, so it's kind of like the front part of something, so it's like saying on the other side. Beneath the other front, the other side of the cliff, there is a cave with hanging rocks. Ablative absolute. Pendentibus scopulis. Ablative absolute. So is horrenti umbra, I believe. So this is actually setting up the stage. Remember, Aeneas and his followers are just now arriving at the shores of Libya, and so they're seeing all the scenery as they're approaching. So here and there they see vast rocks and huge rocks or cliffs again, they project into the sky. And so this is actually setting up sort of book 4 almost, even though this is book 1, because he's arriving in Carthage, and Carthage is where he and Dido have their big love saga. So scaena here actually means a stage, like a stage for a play or a drama. So this is clearly a reference to the drama that's going to take place in book 4 in Carthage. It's already setting up Carthage as a dramatic, beautiful place with shimmering forests and caves and natural beauty everywhere. And this is where Aeneas' dramatic saga with Dido is going to play out.